just got to Vegas. We're at the Cosmopolitan. We got to the room. You guys got to see this. Let's go. Let's do it. Come on in. This is the spot. So we got a little hangout area here. We got some couch TV. I love the design of this place. Cool. It's just such a swanky, cool hotel. We've got, oh, they got some alcohol in here already. Look at all this alcohol stocked in here. Awesome. I don't see any Tostitos here, chat, so send the Cosmopolitan an email. Where's the Tostitos for PJ? I have no idea. I'm pissed about it. Little work area. We got the little safe in here, little safe, all right? Come over here, check out the bathroom. The bathroom setup's clean. We got the 2 mirrors set up, right? But wait, look at this, look at this. This shower is sick. Look at this shower. Look at this view from the tub. Look at the view from the tub, chat. All right, we got the king size bed situation here. We got the TV set up. We got the whole suite. And then you come out here and guys, listen and look, the sights and sounds. Welcome to Vegas, guys. Right in front of the Fallon going off right now. Listen to the sounds, the supercars, the energy of the city. Wow, do you hear these Lambos in the background? So what's going on back here? We got Tiesto, we got a crazy vlog. It's gonna be a good one. All right, so currently we are in Paris, as you guys can see. We're gonna go up to the Eiffel Tower here in Vegas for some brunch at this place called Cheri. I have a horrible French accent. So anyway, hold on, chat. You gotta see the outfit. Let me see. Let's show the outfit. Yes, yes. All right, let's go.
Let's go. Driving in foreigns, my rim so big, the lips be scraping the curb. I'm the man, I swap my lasso out cause you get on my nerves.
Aperol Spritz. I think it's better than inverted for baguettes. I think so. Probably get this a lot, but is this a real Caesar's Palace?
I'm just trying to show you that it's not that far.
We're eating at a little sushi spot, and my wife wants to show me where Japan is on the map. Huh? Let's see.
Because
where is it?
I'm trying to explain to you that we're not really close to Japan.
We're really close.
Well, since we're on the West Coast, yes, like you just have to take a flight from Tokyo all the way over here. It's probably not that far. I haven't checked.
Oh, I know we're going to Japan next, so guys.
Yes, that's the next place.
Japan next, chat. Let me have a comment. We'll see. All right, we are on the way to breakfast, but someone left their wallet at the Bellagio yesterday while we were playing blackjack.
So now we have to go all the way back.
So we're gonna go get breakfast and then see if we can find her wallet. Cross your fingers, chat. Cross your fingers.
I left it at the casino while I was getting a massage. You got killed.
Oh, that's right, forgot. You got a massage at the blackjack. Oh yeah, let me tell the story. Yeah. So, went to Bellagio yesterday before the Cirque du Soleil show. Took $500 out of the ATM. No joke, Steph pulls up to the blackjack table and they give massages here. So she buys a massage. It was an 8-minute massage, I kid you not. In 5 minutes, I lost my $500. And she was still getting the massage.
I think that's where I left my wallet.
And we think she left her wallet there, so
At the table.
we're gonna go figure out where it is. Well, update so far. We have not found the wallet. It's 10 a.m. We have to come back here at 11 to maybe find Steph's wallet. Leave a comment if you guys think we're gonna find her wallet by the end of this vlog. So we went in there, tried to look at if we can get something, but everything's sold out of Rolex. The chat knows I'm looking for this in blue, but I don't like the gold. I don't like the diamond on it. You guys are not gonna believe this. We searched high and low, went to the Bellagio, lost and found, waited on hold with lost and found, an hour of searching, nothing. I come back into our room and I look in the safe, and honestly, I will say there's no way that you would, look at this. You can't even see it there, But this is where it was the whole time.
The whole time.
The whole
I don't know how I got
time. Ah! All right, guys, we're going to Tiesto. Then, well, first we're meeting Generational Joy, MJ. She's coming here literally in like 15, 20 minutes. So we're meeting the editor behind the scenes of the PJ Trades universe. And then we're going to Tiesto, meet my brother and Tyler. Oh man. All right, we got the bag. It's time for Tiesto.
Free Tiesto pump. Come on, give me 10 more.
I did 20.
20?
What?
Chat, 20's not enough. Tell him.
That's enough. It's enough. Enough. We made it to the pool party. We got NYC Ty, Big Nick Russia. Let's go! Turn the camera around. For you. There we go. Light it up! We're looking for a rollie for Steph. I don't know which one she likes yet, but we're gonna try on a couple different options. We're in the store here, and I think we have this one so far.
No, he has it.
He has a whole bunch of them so far, but she's excited.
Yeah, I am.
So we've got this one, and we've got this one. Man, this is exciting. I've been working a long time to be able to treat the people I love to stuff like this, and Steph has worked so hard on this business, and she deserves it. I thought, I want to get myself a watch. But honestly, to me, it's the people that are around me building the business with me that deserve it more. So that's what we're doing right now. So it's exciting.
It's stunning. I can't. I love it.
It looks beautiful.
I love the two-tone.
I love it.
Beautiful.
This is what I was waiting for. This is my favorite part.
He's excited.
Cheers, baby. Let's go. Congrats.
Thank you, babe.
Cheers, chat.
Happy birthday, Nick.
Thank you, Steph.
Come on.
Let's do it.
Last night in Vegas.
Last night.
We're gonna put one of these here then.
Oh man, appreciate you.
You're welcome.
Wow.
Thank you.
Parma reachers.
Jeez, Nick, that's the size of your head.
Size of that.
Yeah, hold like that. Chat, there's TP at 50 something points here. 67 points, chat. Let's go. Wow, that was insane. We came a tick away from BE, and then delivered LRLR. I told you that LRLR was gonna get taken, bro. I told you. Wow, what a session. What a day. SMT at lows, guys. I already pretty much am out 90% of the position here. I'll just hold a runner for overall draw. There it is right there. Let's get that nice little 1 minute rejection. We want to hold below this 1 minute now. Chat, spam some W's. The vlog is here. Spam some W's. The vlog is here. Spam W's.